This next video is going to be called Where to Study for a Math Test or Do Math Homework. Here's the sheet. There's my blog for people that are following on YouTube or coming across this video via Google. Here's my email address if people have any inquiries and questions that they'd like me to go over. Let's take a look here at my suggestion here for you as to what's helped. This is kind of like what's helped me, and I'm trying to share it on with other people. Now, number one, definitely try studying at home. It's free. You've got access to your music there, and I'm a big music fan. I think anybody that's preparing for a mathematics should definitely have a set of headphones on. Unless you're having a tough time doing the word problems, then you may want to turn off the music while you're reading the word problem. But definitely give it a shot. You got your music right there. Music will help you get in touch with the logical side of your mind, and you'll definitely, hopefully, be able to do better because of that. Alright, so put on your Billy Joel, your Tupac, your Nirvana, Dave Matthews, Dispatch, whatever it is that you like listening to, you know, put it on. So, okay. Number two, but wait, number one, there's a problem with being at home. You need to minimize the distractions. I ask this question to people. Are you studying for your tests, or do you have Facebook open while your book is open in front of you at a desk? Are you studying for a test on that couch, or are you actually texting someone while your notebook is open? Right? And the list can go on and on. Are you honestly studying? Are you honestly practicing? Or are you staring at a book while the TV's on? See, the home was built with, it has wonderful distractions in it. It's got chores, it's got other family members, it's got computers, TVs, and cell phones. We don't need to be distracted with stuff. So just make sure you're checking yourself. Don't lie to yourself, right? Number two, the library. Definitely try the local library. However, if you live near the college campus, this is mainly for the college students, but high school students too, you may want to try the college library, because the college library has better hours. Usually it's open later. Usually the local library is open till 9. A lot of times the college library is open till 10. Of course, it depends on the town you live in. Alright, number three, bookstores. Bookstores are great because they have an area dedicated towards people hopefully sitting at a table and getting something to eat while they're reading a book. So bookstores have really, some of the restaurant chains have really tried to capitalize on this. Well, take advantage of it. Literally bring your stack of books with you, go from home to study, go to the bookstore, sprawl out your books right over there, study for your classes, and maybe order a coffee or not. Take advantage of that. What you're trying to do here, guys, is get you away from the distractions. That's why we're going to try the bookstore. Now, this next one here is probably my favorite. This one definitely worked for me. Restaurants would love to have your business. Even if you're planning on not buying anything, a lot of them would love to have you anyway because they think that you're going to buy something, and perhaps you might anyway. So if you go to a 24-hour restaurant, you can sit in a booth, you can put your books out there, you got your headphones on, you can even tell the waitress right away, hey, I'm planning on really not getting much, here's a $5 tip, I guess I'll get a $2 cup of coffee or something. It'll cost you $7, you'll put a smile on a waitress's face, you'll have yourself a cup of coffee, and you would have gotten away from the distractions. So go ahead and do that if that's good. Number five. Now, this last one here is definitely on you. You see, maybe these three ideas don't work for you. Okay, well then maybe you have another idea. Maybe you can discuss an idea with a neighbor. Ask one of your neighbors, ask one of your friends, ask one of your family members. Maybe they know you better than you do about your study habits. And it's a good person to check into. They might have an idea other than these three that I have not discussed that would work for you. Also, talking to your neighbors and friends and family about your study habits helps us to focus in on what we can do. No one can control what the professor is going to put on the exam. No one can control how in tune you're going to be with the lesson that day, but you can control what you do outside of class. So when you're outside of class, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to check in with your neighbors or your friends. Pick somebody to check in with as basically someone that you're going to hold yourself accountable to for your study habits. Or maybe that's too complicated. Either way, you should be able to think of something that's along these lines here that helps you get away from the distractions. So, good luck to you in your in how you prepare for your tests, how you prepare for studying for your homework and doing your homework assignments and everything else. This is the website here, so please contact me with any questions, and we will talk to you later.